Welcome to our PPF kit selection: full, partial, and full front. Shield your vehicle with precision and ease. Choose the perfect protection for your ride today. Our kits offer comprehensive coverage, ensuring your vehicle stays pristine against everyday wear and tear. Explore the benefits of our partial kit clear bra paint protection, an economic solution that offers decent protection for your vehicle's vital areas. While budget-friendly, it's important to note that while it provides good coverage, it may not offer the absolute best protection available. Discover the ultimate protection with our full front kit clear bra paint protection, an economical yet comprehensive solution offering better coverage than partial kits. Ensure your vehicle's front end receives optimal defense against road debris and scratches, surpassing the protection provided by partial kits while remaining budget-friendly. Elevate your vehicle's defense with confidence. Introducing our complete solution to safeguard your entire vehicle with precision and ease. With comprehensive coverage from front to back, ensure unparalleled protection against road debris, scratches, and environmental hazards while striking the perfect balance between cost and protection.